Okay, here's the first video of the Okuma and the VIP80 LB200MW. Real quick, here is all the tooling. I'll try to go through all of these, but just to show that all of these spin freely. Can't see that one, sorry. Okay, I think that's all of them. That's all the rest of the turning tools. We don't know how to really, I'm not a machinist, I don't run the bar feed, but we got it all hooked up and no alarms, manual mode. I mean, that's what you're going to get from me on the video, because that's all I know. It's interfaced and it's not alarming out, so. Okay. Do some quick jogs here. We'll do, let's see. Door interlock. Okay. Everything is going to be with the door shut. And we have to reset the bar feed too. How do you reset the bar feed again, Ken?
Green button for on.
Which one? You do it. There it is. Okay.
And then we can hit manual or auto, wherever we want to go.
I got you. All right. Thank you.
So it's waiting for something from the lathe. Right.
No, in auto mode, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, just leave it in manual. I don't know how to run the bar feed.
Okay.
Okay. All right, now, let's see. Turn indexes. Okay, and we'll do some, sorry. Turn the feed right up here. There's Z. Here's X. Alright, and then let's go. That's all the way back. Now we'll go in. Okay, here's 1000 RPM on the main spindle. Sorry, I have to run this with the doors shut, so. It is turning. And sorry. We'll do 2000. There's 2000 RPM. You can see the commands I'm putting in here. And let's see. 3000. And I'm going to bring it to a stop here. Okay. And then I'll switch to the sub spindle. It's got to be in manual mode. Okay, now go here. Alright. You can see it's not turning. Okay, here's 1000 RPM. That's 2000 RPM. And the bearings are all good, you can hear them. Oh, and you wanted me to inch the C-axis. I finally figured this out. You have to be an MDI M110. Oh. Cycle start. Okay, now Go back to jog, and we should be able to. You can see it turning here in the. I'm doing my best to get you through this window visibly. I'm sorry. Okay, and I think that's it on this machine. Oh, yeah, you saw the sub spindle. Oh, I didn't jog the, what if I can jog the W axis? Let me see. Oh, door interlock. Even on jogging. Yeah, I can't, okay. I'll move the sub spindle with the door shut. Sorry about that. Okay, I think that's everything. And you've got the hours from the photos, so that's it.